Yeah, good evening, students. So, what you are doing? Trigonometry about so many things are there in trigonometry. We started with the definition of the angles, started with quadrant concepts. Next, we are discussing about functions, range domain of the trigonometric functions, multiple and submultiple angles. So many things we discussed. Yeah. So we proceed one or two numericals based on this. With the help of what are the things we discussed so far? How we can calculate sine 18 degrees? How we can calculate sine 18 degrees? 18. How to calculate sine 18 degrees? Which already discussed. How with the help of all we discussed in earlier cases, sine 3x formula we discussed, sine 2x formula, talking about previous. In these 3 days, I explained only the major numericals, little bit high level numericals only we discussed. Instead of revising formula that you can do. Sine of 18 degrees, how we can do? Sine 90 by 5. So sine 90 by 5, how we can do? How it will be useful? Because we know sine of a plus b, sine of a minus b, sine a, cos b, sine a, sine b. Anywhere it is coming like this, we know, but it is having only single angle, correct? We know sine 2x, 2 sine x cos x, sine 3x. With the help of these only relations we are having related to sine so far, or any ratio to another ratio. Sine 2x in terms of cos 2x, like this. That is the conversion. Here, I am having sine 18 degrees. We don't have sine 18 degrees as a standard angle so far. We are having the standard angles. What are standard angles we are having? 0, 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees, 90 degrees. These are the standard angles. With the help of the standard angles, how we can calculate the sine 18 degrees? Please. How we can bring it to any one of these relations? That's it. How we can bring in 18 in terms of 18 any one of these relations with respect to standard angles. Take any one standard angle connected to 18 degrees. Which standard angle will be connected to 18 degrees? 90 degrees. How it is connected? Sorry? 90 degrees by 5 into 18 or 90 degrees 5 into 18. Sine 18. I'm not going to calculate sine 18 straight away. I know the value of sine 90 is equal to 1. I'm taking this help and I'm trying to resolve for sine 18. So how I am doing is, I know sine 90 is equal to 1 and sine of 5 into 18 is equal to 1. So 18 I'm considering as x. So how I can write this is sine 5x is equal to 1. Is it clear? Sine 5x, how I can write? Sine of 2x plus 3x. Other than this, I can't write any other thing. Sin x plus 4x can't write because sin 4x is not a standard angle. 4x again you have to divide into 2x plus 2x. It is a big equation. You are going to expand 3 times. Instead of that, I have to expand less number of times. That is only the strategy in mathematics. Mathematics always in which way? Which method we will get easily? Simplest method only we have to calculate. That is only the purpose of doing all these things for us. So I am taking sin 2x plus 3x, and with the help of this, it will be easy to calculate, expand. Let me know how much you are getting, which is equal to 1. Correct? Sin 2x plus 3x, which is equal to 1, and convert everything into sin x. Find it out. Or how we can do? Sin 2x plus 2 or sin of 2x plus 3x expansion, or I can write this is one method, or I can take 5x is equal to 90 degrees. This can be written as where x is equal to 18 here. If you solve for x, then it is if you solve for sin x, that is the final answer. So 5x can be written as 2x plus 3x is equal to 90. 2x is equal to 90 minus 3x. Take sin on both sides. Sin 2x will be equal to sin of 90 minus 3x, and sin 2x will be equal to cos 3x positive. Cos 3x. Now what is the expansion of sin x? Sin 2x? 2 sin x cos x. Expansion of cos 3x? Expansion of cos 3x. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Will you agree? 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So can you solve and identify the sign value? Can you solve and identify or make it the whole expression in terms of signs? Make it the whole expression in terms of sign. I think it is easy. It's not very difficult. Because the right side, if you take sin cos common, cos will cancel on left side also. Or divide whole equation with cos x. If I am dividing the whole equation with cos x, what I will get? Divide with cos x will give 2 sin x is equal to 4 cos square x minus 3. Correct? So how I can convert everything into sine here? 2 sin x is equals 4 minus 4 sin square x minus 3. So what is the simplest equation? 4 sin square x, 4 minus 3 is 1, plus 2 sin x minus 1 is equal to 0. Correct? So this is a quadratic equation in terms of sin square x. Solve for sin square x and let me know how much you are getting. Solve for sin square x using the b square minus 4ac, discriminant formula, minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac. Sorry? Minus 1 plus or minus 1. So sin x will be equal to how much? Minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 5 by 8. This will be minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 4. Minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 4. So here two values you are getting. So this is one kind of judgment. You have to judge as a student. You have to judge whether both are right answers, whether only any one is right answer, whether both are wrong. You have to learn this kind of skills for plus 2 level, because there are certain cases in plus 2 you will get multiple answers. Out of multiple answers, sometimes all are wrong, sometimes only one is correct, sometimes 2 is correct, remaining are wrong. That we can't say, that is based on the situation. Here we got total is 2, 3 probabilities. So how I can decide this is only the correct answer, this is only the not possible? Sorry? Between minus 2 1 it is possible, no? Because minus 1 minus root 5 is one answer. See here. Correct. Sin x is equals minus 1 minus root 5 by 4. Minus root 5 is approximately 2 points. So minus 3 point. Minus 3 divided by 4 is always less than 1. Whether it is negative or positive. So both the values are less than minus 1, greater than minus 1 and less than plus 1 only. One is minus 1 minus 1 plus root 5 by 4. So this whole expression value is negative because the numerator is completely negative, denominator is positive. Here the numerator is positive because root 5 is greater than minus 1. Correct? 2.25. The magnitude of the root 5 is greater than 1. So definitely it is positive by positive, it is positive. So sin x is what we taken, if I am substituting x is equal to 80 degrees, then only this whole thing is correct, because we started with 5x plus 3x is equal to 90. That is 5 into 18 degrees is equal to 90. Then only it is correct. X is valued only for 18 degrees. Correct or not? So because of the first quadrant, only positive value is possible. Negative value is not correct option or not possible. So the answer is sin 18 degrees will be equal to minus 1 plus root 5 divided by 4, which is nothing but cos of how much? Cos of 72, 90 minus 18, complementary. Cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Same as sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, which is nothing but 72 degrees. Same way, with the help of this result, anyone can calculate the cos 18 degrees. No need to do this much. cos 18, cos 18. With the help of sin 18, is it possible can able to calculate cos 18 degrees? We got sin 18 degrees is equals minus 1 plus root 5 by how much? 4. Correct? So, with the help of this result, is it possible to calculate cos 18 degrees? Students who is on online, is it clear? Cos 90 minus, but we don't have sin 72. We are having cos sin 18, cos 72. Here I am asking cos 18. How to do cos 18? 1 minus sin square 18 under the root. Here I am using cos square, cos theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. Calculate and let me know what is the answer you are getting. Sorry? It's conjugate. Sorry? I didn't get you. But you can say always it is conjugate. Is it possible always you can say it is conjugate? You can't say no. Might be here in trigonometric ratios you can get conjugate. I can accept it. After directionally we will know it is conjugate. But before that we don't have any evident proof it should be conjugate. We can't say it is conjugate with any particular concept. We can't say it can be conjugate. We don't have any evident proof. You will get conjugate. Might be if I am relating to algebra, then I can say. Calculate and let me know how much you are getting. As you said, it is conjugate. I can accept it. Minus 1 minus root 5 by 4 only. But how we can say it is conjugate? Because already I saw the value. That's the reason I am able to remember. That is only for remembering purpose. But conceptual point of view, correct or not? Is it clear, students? Once you completed, who are completed, with the help of cos 18, if you are able to solve for cos 18, you can able to calculate sin 72 also with the help of the, and using these 4 expressions, you have to calculate cos 36, sin 36. Which formulas will be helpful to calculate these things? First find out the cos sin 72 and cos 18. First find out the cos 18. Is cos 18 is coming same as conjugate? Check. Anyone got the cos 18 value who is connected from online? Please, students. Agav, Hamsini. Anyone got the cos 18? How much you got? Cos 18 degrees. Different. How much? Root over the cos 18. Please look into the question properly. Check where is mistakes and all. Anywhere you are doing the mistake and all. So we know sin square sin 18 is minus 1 plus root 5 or root 5 minus 1, correct? So this will be root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. Do you agree? This is 4 square minus root 5 minus 1 whole square by 4 and the numerator only under the root now. This will be how much? 16 minus 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5. Right? A plus B whole square or A minus B whole square you are doing. Divided by 4. So what is the answer? 16 minus 6 plus 2 root 5 under the root divided by 4, which is nothing but 10 plus 2 root 5 under the root divided by 4, which is equal to cos 18. You said minus, no? Sorry, I thought it is minus. I heard it look like. Next one. With the help of this, how to calculate cos 36 and sin 36? From here you can able to calculate, which is equal to this cos 18 can be written as sin 72. Correct? It's very clear, sin 72. How we can write cos 36 and sin 36 value? I need cos 36 and sin 36 value. Sin to x formula. Sin 36 can be written as 2 sin 18 cos 18, correct? Cos 36 can be written as cos square 18 minus sin square 18. Substitute the values and identify what is the answers you are getting. Please, quickly. I need sin 36 and cos 36. Substitute the values and let me know. Substitute the values and let me know. Anyone who got online, please let me know, guys. Students, anyone got the answer? See, if you are good with rational and irrational numbers, it is easy. 1 by 4. Watch. Cos 36 is 1 by 4. Check it again. Cos 2 theta can be written as cos square theta minus sin square theta, which can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square theta, or from the previous expressions directly you can substitute. What is the cos square 18? What is the cos square 18? N minus. That's only I said, no? What is the value of cos? 10 plus 2 root 5 under the root divided by 4 whole square minus sin square 18 is how much? Root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. Or instead of doing 2 times, what we can write this one? 1 minus 2 sin square 18. This will give a little bit simplest expression. Because cos square 18 is little bit complicated. And compare it to you have to do two irrational number simplification. But we can write cos square 2 theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. With the help of this, we can write instead of this, we can write 1 minus 2 root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. This will be 1 minus 2 into 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 by 16 to 8 times. This will be 8 minus 6 plus 2 root 5 by 8. How much? 2 plus 2 root 5 by 8. This will be 1 plus root 5 by 4. Same as, can you calculate the sin 36? Minus 1. Sin 36. How we can do sin 36? Instead of that, because sin 18 cos 18 is not conjugate. Instead of this, any other formula I can use? 1 cos square 36 under the root. Substitute and let me know what is the answer you are getting. Please. Student, anyone got the answer? Sorry. Okay, I am writing again. We are going to calculate sin 36, which is equal to 1 minus cos square 36 under the root. What is the cos square 36 value you got? 1 plus root 5? 1 plus root 5 upon 4, correct? So 1 minus 1 plus root 5 by 4 whole square. This will be how much? 1 plus 5 plus 2 root 5 divided by 16. This is minus. This is 16 minus 6 minus 2 root 5 by 8. Sorry, 16. So 10 minus 10 minus 2 root 5. 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. Just a minute. Students, is it clear? Yeah, root over 10 minus correct? 10 minus 2 root 5 by. So shall we do some more numericals? Based on multiple and submultiple angles. We'll do some numericals based on multiples and submultiple angles. Prove that sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x is equals 4 cos square x sin 4x. Please prove that sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x is equal to 4 cos square x sin 4x. Try this question. What kind of formulas you have to remember here? Sin c plus sin d formulas. Split the 2 sin 4x into sin 4x plus sin 4x. Take two combinations at a time. 6x 4x one combination, 2x 4x one combination. Apply sin c plus sin d formula. Very simple. I will give the little clue. You try by your own pace. This I am writing as sin 2x plus sin 4x plus again sin 4x plus sin 6x. The clue is left side is all are in addition, right side is all are in multiplication. So you have to convert from addition to multiplication. Sin c plus sin d formula will use addition to multiplication. Correct or not? 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So I am taking these two at a pair, this two as a single pair, and this two as a single pair. Or sin 2x and sin 6x take as a single pair, because right side we are having 4x. 6x plus 2x average is 4x. That's the reason I am taking 6x plus 2x is as a single pair. 2 sin 4x I am writing as, sorry, is there any need conversion? No need to convert, because sin 2x plus sin 6x as the one side. This I am keeping as 2 sin 4x, and I am applying the sin c plus sin d formula here. 2 sin 8x by 2, correct? Cos 6x minus 2x, 4x by 2 plus 2 sin 4x. Anyone not clear with this step? What I wrote? Correct. This will be 4, this will be 2. If I am taking 2 sin 4x common, what is remaining? Cos square x, sorry, cos 2x plus 1. What is the 1 plus cos 2x? 1 plus cos 2x. 1 plus cos 2x. Cos 2x formula is importance of the cos 2x formula. If you remember, cos 2x will be equal to if it is 1 minus cos 2x sines. Cos 2x plus 1, 2 cos square x. I will show you again. Cos square x minus sin square x will represent cos 2x. This can be written as 2 cos square x minus 1. Also can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square x. From here I can write cos 2x plus 1 is equals 2 cos square x, or cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x by 2, or from here I can written as two sin square x is equals 1 minus cos 2x. Sin square x will be equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Same as cos square x will be equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. If I want sin x cos x alone, under the root it will come. So many n number of formulas you can create from here. So if I am applying this, what I will get? 2 sin 2 cos 2x plus 1 is 2 cos square x. So here 2 sin 4x into 2 cos square x will be equal to 4 cos square x sin 4x, which will give RHS. One more question. If tan x is equal to b by a, we done this question or not? Check it. If tan x is equal to b by a, then find the value of a plus b by a minus b under the roots plus a minus b by a plus b under the root. I will do this question. The clue is very simple. They gave the value of b by a. Identify how we can make the whole expression in terms of a by b or b by a. Look at here. The numerator and denominator we can divide with a here. So you will get 1 plus b by a by 1 minus b by a. 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. apply z. Here 1 minus b by a by 1 plus b by a, that is 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Substitute and let me know what is the answer you are getting. Are you clear what I'm saying? Inside the root I am dividing both the numerator and denominator. Inside the root itself I am dividing. Now why again root here? Inside the root only you are dividing. See here, divide both the numerator and denominator means you are dividing inside the root itself now. So I am writing this one be a plus b by a divided by a minus b by a plus, that's only I am saying now. When I am talking about numerator and denominator with a inside the root. So this will be 1 plus b by a divided by 1 minus b by a under the roots plus 1 minus b by a divided by 1 plus b by a under the root. 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x under the root plus 1 plus tan x by, sorry, 1 minus tan x by 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x under the root. So 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x is for what? Tan of how much? What is the formula for this? Yes, we done already. Or you can take LCM and try. What is tan pi by 4 plus theta? Tan pi by 4 plus theta, tan pi by 4 minus theta. Will you remember when I am explaining tan of a plus b formulas? Substitute a is equal to pi by 4, b is equal to theta. Or you can take LCM. Make it as a single expression. If you take LCM, what you will get? If I am taking LCM, what I will get? Denominator is root of 1 minus tan square x. Correct? Numerator is 1 plus tan x plus 1 minus tan x, tan x, tan x cancel. So 2 by 1 minus tan square x, is there any formula? Is it secret? Sorry? I didn't get it. Is asking the value in terms of, is asking us to simplify, simplest form. You can stop there also, not a problem. But he is asking prove is equal to something. Simplest form only we have to keep it. This is not the simplest form, further you can reduce. So what is the 1 minus tan square x? No, doesn't have any proper expression. 1 minus tan square doesn't have anything. So what I am doing is 2 by 1 minus sin square x by cos square x under the root. This will be what will happen? 1 minus 2 secant x. No. 2 cos x by root of cos 2x. Check. 2 cos x by root of cos 2x. Check. I skipped 2 steps here. Is it possible? What I wrote, is it right or wrong? Find out the tan 4x in terms of tan x. Next question. Find out the tan 4x in terms of tan x. Prove that tan 4x will be equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan power 4x. What do you have to start first? Tan 4x can be written as tan of 2x plus 2x or tan of 2 times 2x. What is it? Tan x upon 1 minus tan square theta. Again, we have to apply tan 2x formula because it is 4x. We will get the whole expression in terms of 2x. Correct? So tan 4x, if I am taking LCM, LHS, tan 4x can be written as tan of 2 times 2x. This will be 2 tan 2x divided by 1 minus tan square 2x. Again, this will be 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square. Please solve this one. Let me know whether you are getting the RHS or not. Please quickly. See, there is no limit in trigonometry. There are certain topics like binomial theorem, trigonometry, differentiation, and conic sections. For our NCERT level, it is very simple. But these topics, straight lines, inequalities, you can extend to any level. Your job is how much level you want to learn. Just go through it, practice, and come with the doubts. Got it? Usually, when I am studying trigonometry, we teach around 4 to 5 minutes. Trigonometry on separate teacher will come and they will teach because we are having 4 chapters of trigonometry when I am studying. Now they reduce, and they cut down to only 1 chapter. That many of things are there. Even if you see some other board properties of triangles are there, they make it as a supplementary. If you see end of the book, you can see 2 3 pages supplementary material properties of the triangle. So there is no limit. So based on your requirement, biology student doesn't require. They are attending the need, but engineering students require. Please identify your need, practice it, and come with the doubts. Okay? So complete this question whether you are getting or not. Please let me know. I will go to the next question. If you're done. Please, I can give the next question. Cos 3x, 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Am I right? 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Guys, just list out all the formulas, required formulas, stick somewhere. Because it is not so easy to remember. Keep on practicing. If you got in mind, it will be easy. Usually, cos 3x, sin 3x, openly I am saying still I won't remember easily. Because as a teacher, I am not going to write the exam. Maybe it's a better tool for you. What I will do if I am really writing an exam, I will sit and I will solve within 1 minute. Like that only I will remember. I don't want to dump everything in my mind. That is one method. But you have to solve within a minute, within 30 seconds. Like that, the calculation should go very fast like that. Then only it will be useful. With less formulas, you can do anything. Or you stick Keep on practicing. By end of the year, you have to keep it in mind permanently. From the beginning, don't try to memorize. Only by practice, if you are able to keep it in mind, it will be easy. For example, if you are going by cycle, every day no need to think when when the turning comes, I have to take left, I have to take right and all. Automatically, the handle will move without your knowledge. Why? Because almost 8 years or 9 years you are using the same route to go to the school. 1 or 2 days or 1 week only you have to remember I have to take left, I have to take right and all. After that you never thought, even if you are entering the school also, which floor and all, you never think. Automatically, without knowledge itself, if you are talking with the friends, you go. That's the meaning of on subconscious memory. Automatically it will lead us to take where we want to go. Only the thing is we have to decide where I have to go. That's it. It doesn't require whether I have to go to the first floor and I have to take third room, fourth room and all, doesn't require. That's the use of the practice. Because when at the end of the beginning of the +2, by end of the +2, you will think this many of formulas are there. If you list out the formulas, that is many. But if you use the logical skills, less formulas, cos 2x I can write around 15 formulas I can write. But we are having the ability to derive whatever the thing is required within a minute, within a fraction of seconds, then it will be easy. No need to remember so many formulas. That's what I done calculus. Because entrances and all, they won't test your memory. They will test your speed. I won't think it's a concept also in India. They're testing it's like a 1 day, not even 1 day also. It's a T20. Throughout the year, you do net practice properly. That day you fail. That's it. One exam is going to decide you. Understand what I'm saying? That's the reason certain things we have to do it according to our education system. No option for us. But for future, if you are choosing the engineering, suppose if you choose the electrical engineering or mechanical, the entire 4 years will run on trigonometry. Here you should not say I done my entrance within a top 1000 rank and all, that doesn't work. That is only to enter in a reputed college only this will be useful. After that it is only who got 80 and who got 100 also same. Got it? So always keep it in mind how to do any kind of thing with less memory. Next. One more question. Prove that secant 8x. Prove that secant 8x minus 1 divided by secant 4x minus 1 is equal to tan 8x divided by tan 2x. The hint is convert secant into cos and try. Convert secant into tan, convert secant into cos and apply the cos 2x formula. Apply the cos 2x formula wisely. Convert secant into cos, apply the cos 2x formula. Please, students, anyone having any doubts so far? Online students, because I have to man. Don't think I'm not focusing on online. Please let me know anyone having any doubts. Get back. Secant x, if I'm converting into, I'm taking LHS. Secant x, if I'm converting into cos, what I will get? 1 by cos 8x minus 1 by cos 4x minus 1. If I'm taking LCM, 1 minus 8x divided by cos 8x divided by 1 minus cos 4x divided by cos 4x. What is 1 minus cos 2 theta formula? 1 minus cos 2 theta formula. What is the value of 1 minus cos 2 theta formula? Just find out cos 2 theta expansion, identify 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to how much? Take it. When it comes minus, cos won't come. Definitely it is sine. 1 minus cos 2 theta. What is the value of 1 minus cos 2 theta? Cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to cos 2 theta. Minus 2 sin square theta. Take it. Again, I am going back to the cos 2 theta formula. What is the cos 2 theta formula? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. I am taking 1 minus cos 2 theta. Sorry. This can be, I want everything. 1 minus means I am writing this is 1 minus sin square theta minus sin square theta. This will be 1 minus 2 sin square theta is equal to cos 2 theta. If I am taking 2 sin square theta, left side cos 2 theta, right side what I will get? 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. That means 1 minus cos 2 theta can be written as 2 sin square half of the angle available in cos. Here 2 theta, that's the reason right side, left side I am getting theta. If it is 4 theta, your theta is 2x, what will happen? Your left side will become 2x. If it is 8x, 4x. If it is 10x, 5x. Half the angle will come. Instead of saying number, if it is cos of some angle is there, sine of half of the angle will come. If I am applying this rule here, what I will get? 2 sin square 4x divided by 2 sin square 2x. This will be how much? Cos 4x divided by how much? This is cos 8x. Confused? This one I can written as 1 minus cos 8x by 1 minus cos 4x into cos 4x by cos 8x. I will proceed from here. So 2 sin square 4x into here, this I am writing as 2 sin 4x cos 4x, and again sin 4x is remaining, divided by 2 sin square 2x. 2 sin square 2x, how we will convert? 2 sin square 2x I am keeping as 2 sin square 2x. And this is cos 8x, correct? What is this expression? Sin 8x. So this can be written as sin 8x by cos 8x into Sin 4x can be written as 2 sin 2x cos 2x divided by 2 sin square 2x. 2 cancel, 1 sin cancel. Sin by cos is tan 8x into cos by sin is tan 8x into cot 8x. Sorry, cot 2x. Cos by sin is cot. Correct? So, but expression is in terms of tan everything. What I will get? Tan 8x can be written as tan 8x. Cot 2x can be written as 1 by tan 2x. That is tan 8x by tan 2x. Simple. Is it clear? Tan 8x by tan 2x. Yeah. Find the value of cos 5x in terms of cos x. Find the value of cos 5x in terms of cos x. Done? Leave it. One sum is enough. They may give sin 4x, cos 4x, sin 6x, cos 6x, sin 5x, cos 5x. Either summation of 2x and 3x or product of 2x and 3x, because we are having only standard formula sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x. Everything should be derived from this only. They won't give in a different way. And they won't go more than 2 times. They can't use sin 7x, because sin 7x 3x plus 4x, again 4x you have to split, it will become a complicated expression. So that level they won't give you. Don't worry about that one. Prove that. 1 or 2 questions we will do. Prove that sin x by 1 plus cos x, simple question only, is equal to tan x by 2. Half angle formulas you have to use here. Sin x by 1 plus cos x will be equal to tan x by 2. So if you are confusing how to split into half angles, take LHS, substitute, assume x equal to 2 theta and otherwise, if you are having the ability to remember half angle formulas, then straight away you can able to do. Sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 1 plus cos x can be written as 2 cos square x by 2. Why? 1 plus cos 2 theta formula is what? 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. If it is 1 plus cos theta, you are making the angle is half. So answer also with half angle will come. Correct? If it is 2 theta, theta is coming. If it is theta, half theta will come. Wait. Please try. Clear? I can explain one more time. See here, I am using these formulas here. We know sin 2 theta is equals 2 sin theta cos theta. In case of 2 theta, if I am having x, in case of 2 theta, if I am having x, that means 2 theta writing as single x. So theta will become half of the x. So this will be 2 sin x cos x. Same as 1 plus cos 2 theta is equals 2 cos square theta. Anyone confused with this formula? Correct. Here 1 plus cos x can be written as 2 cos square x by 2. Substitute in LHS these two expressions. What I will get? 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 divided by 2 cos square x by 2, 2 cancel, 1 cos was cancelled. So finally sin by cos, which is equal to tan x by 2, which is your RHS. Please let me know, guys, if I'm going little bit fast, if I'm skipping any steps, please let me know. That step I will explain again. Next one. Here only I will write in red color. Try to solve this question. Prove that cos x by, prove that cos x by 1 minus sin x is equals tan of, oh, sorry. Prove that cos x by 1 minus sin x is equals tan of 5 by 4 plus x by 2. Whenever you are getting 1 minus sin x, I gave a strategy. If you are able to remember that strategy, it will be easy. The clue is sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Cos x can be written as cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. 1 can be written as sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2. Right? Put on paper, then only you will get an idea. I'm writing what are the things I am taking separately. Given question is LHS is what? Cos x by 1 minus sin x. Cos x can be written as cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Half angle formula. Cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Instead of 2 theta, I am writing x. Instead of theta, x by 2 theta. So 1 can be written as the basic standard identity sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 minus sin x can be written as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So the denominator will become sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 whole square. A minus b whole square formula. Sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 whole square. Numerator is looking like a square minus b square formula. This can be written as, how we can write? Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. In the denominator, instead of writing sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2, I am taking cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. It's our wish. A minus b whole square, b minus a whole square, both are same. Cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. So 1 is cancelled. What is remaining? Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 minus, divide both the numerator and denominator with cos x by 2. wherever you are getting the expressions like this, sin theta plus cos theta by 1, sin theta minus cos theta, or cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta, this is a standard strategy we will apply. We will convert into tans. How I can convert into tan? Both the numerator and denominator I am dividing with, this can be written as 1 plus tan x by 2 by 1 minus tan x by 2. What is the expansion is this? What is the tan of pi by 4 plus theta? Tan pi by 4 plus theta is how much? 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. Correct? So this will be tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. So always, whenever they are asking the proofs in trigonometry, according to given proof, we have to proceed. The same proof sometimes they may ask in different ratios. Based on that only you have to proceed. One question is having a number of marks here. Based on the proof only we have to go. In case of MCQs, the entire strategy is different. In case of MCQs, we won't do this many of things. Just we will take some standard angle, we will put it to the question, and we will put it to the answer. Which answer is matching to the question, that is the final answer. Other than 0 and 90, because 0 and 90 is like a boundary values. 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees we will take. We substitute in the question. We will get one value. We substitute in 4 options. What is what I am taking? Because if I am taking 90 degrees, sometimes 90 degrees is undefined for tan. That's the reason I can't take. Okay. So please practice some more questions tomorrow. If any doubts, we'll discuss, or we will start the permutations and combinations. It's a continuation, correct? Inequalities or permutations, combinations. Inequalities we are not yet sorted, no? Which is first in textbook. According to study plan, it's the permutations. Yeah, I will check the study plan and I will let you know. What is the study plan? We will start that one. Doesn't matter. Okay. Inequality is very much important for math students. Please keep it. Very much important for math students who is attending particularly JEE. Because this year in +2, few questions based on inequalities only came. We are able to do inequality calculation, then you can able to solve that question. Like that, they gave 1 or 2 questions. Keep it in mind. Any doubts, please let me know. We'll meet in the next class. Bye everyone.